Hello, my name is Justin Groves. I am a computer science and engineering major, and today I would like to tell you about my senior project, the Daily Digest application. I have worked on this project along with other computer science and engineering majors, Jack Magwin, Justin Wang, and George Orloff. For our project, we wanted to solve the modern problem of finding relevant information in news for a user in a concise manner. Given that over 5,000 news articles are posted online daily across many different sites, we wanted to create an application that could use a large language model to summarize multiple sources on a topic. To solve these problems, our Daily Digest application utilizes a web scraper to collect articles at the beginning of a day and stores the information to a SQL database. From there, the user will open a website application and select articles of interest to summarize. Then a large language model takes the content of the articles and returns a generated summary. Here we have a more detailed description of our project architecture. The database interacts with our index page that populates articles, which then interact with the loading and summary pages through a shared local storage. Here is an example of what our homepage might look like. As you can see, we have a window for each article, and you can click on the article title to follow its link to the source article. We also have features for liking or disliking and bookmarking articles as well. Additionally, the homepage also has a search feature that lets you find articles with a certain tag or publisher. After selecting 3 articles, the website will generate a summary of the articles with the content information. So in this case, we had the 3 articles listed below, and it generated a summary of the articles based on the information therein. For this project, one of the major considerations we had was bias and misinformation. Because we are working with a large language model, if there is incorrect or biased information in the source material, then there would be a potentially incorrect summary. To combat this, we decided to limit our news sources to official publications and use multiple publication sources as part of our database. Another consideration for our project was copyright infringement. Since we are using a web scraper and generative AI, according to the fair use doctrine, we are allowed to use information for academic purposes, so we decided to keep links and citations for our articles similar to citing a research paper. Additionally, we are only using data that is publicly available online. Some constraints and areas of improvement include the pool of reliable sources. For our project, we have implemented scrapers for a limited pool of publishers and would like to expand our selection for more breadth of data. With respect to subscription-based articles, we could implement some form of account linking to allow users to access them. Finally, we could use an additional AI tool to process video and image-based information, in addition to text articles as well. One constraint for our project is the reliance on GPT 4.0 to power the summary generation. Because it takes significant time to train a model or fine-tune one, we instead send the article information from our SQL database as part of the GPT instructions. However, this means that there is a limit to the number of tokens our application can send or receive and results in loading time. We could try pre-training a GPT model specifically for our application to reduce the number of instructions needed. Thank you for listening.